Boom. And now I'm back with the other half of the lesson. Okay, so adding and subtracting now. Fractions. You should know by now. In order to add or subtract fractions, you need like denominators? Like denominators, yeah. Numerator, denominator. You need like denominators. If you don't have like denominators, you first need to find that by finding the least common multiple, LCM, yeah, LCM. And then you can add or subtract. You cannot do it without it. But what this lesson pertains to mostly is adding, subtracting with now negatives. Yes, negative rationals. So that's why most of the problems on the worksheet, actually I think all the problems on the worksheet have already like denominators, because it's not about you finding the denominators. It's about you understanding how to use integers and rationals together. So in my example, this might be one of them, I don't know. I didn't steal it from anywhere. I have a negative 3/4. So that means I'm down 3/4 of a pizza. And then somebody comes along, gives me a quarter of theirs, 1/4 of theirs. So being that the bottom is the same, you can actually just ignore it. If you want, you know your answer is going to end up being over 4. Come on, you can write a 4 upside down. I wrote a 4 upside down. Over 4. So let's just write that there and then get rid of these right now so that I can just understand the math here. Okay, so you have negative 3 plus 1. We did that 2 days ago. Negative 3. So I'm down 3 and I'm actually adding 1. So I owed people $300. My mom gave me $100. So now I only owe 2. So the answer is going to be negative 2/2. Negative 2/4, which does reduce to a negative half. Let me get my goldfish box. Yeah, that's what I've been using the goldfish box as a prop to prop up the computer. Okay, now the subtraction part. Yes, I know what you're saying. Mr. Nugent, that's an addition sign. But remember, integers. And integers? Yeah, integers. 7/8. I have 7/8 of something. And then I'm adding a loss. So technically now I'm subtracting. So the bottoms are the same. So we know our answer is going to have a bottom of 8. And that's not a terrible 8. I'm writing sideways. Okay? So we can get rid of them here. Okay, so we get rid of them here to understand that now we just see the math. Whoop, whoop. 7 plus a loss of 5. So technically, 7 minus 5 is what? Yeah. 2. Is this a negative 2 or a positive 2? Yeah, very good. It is a positive 2 because 7 minus 5. Good job. So my answer for this one, negative 2/4 or negative 1/2. And my answer for this one, 2/8 or 1/4. Very good. Good job. Keep up the good work. Make sure you keep your comments peaceful. Yeah, that's it. Nugent out. You'll see me Monday. Deuces.